Ever wondered how data gets from one system to another without losing any critical information? That's data migration for you. It's the intricate process of transferring data between diverse storage systems or formats, a vital cog in various industries' operations. So ready to dive into the world of data migration? Onwards we go. Data migration might seem complex, but it can be broken down into simple, manageable steps. Let's start with the first one, planning. This is where we identify the data we want to transfer and decide on the tools we'll use. This might involve a thorough audit of the existing data, understanding its structure, quality, and relevance. It's also the time to pick the right tools for the job, tools that can handle the size and complexity of our data without a hitch. Next, we move on to the migration step. This is when we roll up our sleeves and get the data from point A to point B. We might use a variety of methods, from simple file transfers to more complex ETL, extract, transform, load processes. Regardless of the method, the goal is the same: to move the data safely and efficiently. Finally, we have post-migration activities. This isn't just a victory lap, it's an essential part of the process. We need to review the migrated data, cross-checking it against the original to ensure its integrity. This helps us catch any errors or inconsistencies that might have slipped through the cracks. And there you have it, data migration in a nutshell. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points we've covered. We've explored data migration in depth, focusing on the crucial three-step process: planning, executing the migration, and engaging in post-migration activities. We've underlined the absolute necessity of maintaining data integrity throughout this process. Ensuring your data's accuracy and usability is paramount, and it's this focus that sets successful data migration apart. Remember, mastering data migration is not just about moving data, but ensuring its integrity and usability. Until next time, keep learning.